Bun Huggin Part 2. Moving on to flatbread. My first recipe that I learned that had anything to do with baking, with flour, whatever. Let's get it started. With a little bit of organic apricot. Samuel Smith here.
Ooh.
See that? Samuel Smith, man. They don't know what they're doing.
Whoa. That's very apricot-y. It's so tart.
But it's, yeah, very tart, but
I like it. I like it.
Oh.
Who likes it?
Damn, that's like a sip of love. Oh, I like that. We got here a little activated yeast here. A little bit of warm water, that yeast in there. Got some salt, some sugar, some fresh herbs, parsley, rosemary,
and thyme. The trifecta.
And some E.V.O.O, as my girl Rachel Ray would say.
What is that?
Extra virgin olive oil.
E.V.O.O.
E.V.O.O.
Okay.
Oh, be careful. That flour's gonna get some of that. You don't want that baker's lung. You ever heard of that baker's lung there, babe?
No, never heard of that.
That's nice.
What are you doing?
I saw that now. I saw that done. You can feel it. It's nice and supple. Ooh.
Stop
A little bit of a
saying
bounce
that.
back. What? I like that word.
I don't know about that word.
So I'm gonna pull out a trusty bowl here. Y'all like that as much as I did? Because I loved it. But if you want a little bit, some seconds, maybe a little bit more dessert, check right here. We got it all. The old Jay's cooking. Or some bun hugging. That's nice, huh? Hugging the buns. Oh, sorry. Or listen to some music right here. Exclusive. It's nice stuff. Keep a little gander. It's nice. See you soon.